Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you? কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? Many days have passed later. Have passed since I do not take any class. Maybe 10 or 20 days I do not take any class. Dear students, today we discuss about the a class in related work related problem. Now, dear students, come to see a problem of work related. The problem is given P and Q. P can finish a work in 12 days and Q can finish a work in 20 days. Starting together after 2 days, Q went away. This is our stem. This is our stem. Question number A. In how many part P can finish in 8 days? P এই কাজটা 8 ডেতে কত পার্ট করতে পারে? Second question, in how many days they can finish the whole work together? P and Q together, how many time needed to finish the work? Second question, how many days, in how many days Q can finish the remaining work? এই যে রিমেনিং দুজন করার পরে 2 ডেজে স্টার্টিং করার পরে কিউ ওয়েন্ট অ্যাওয়ে, কিউ যে চলে যায়, রিমেনিং কাজটা কিউ কত দিনে করতে পারে? নাও come to the students, we solve the problem. Question number A. In 12 days, in 12 days P can finish কত পার্ট? one part of work, one part work. Therefore, in one day P can finish 1/12 part. In 8 days P can finish 1 into 8/12. In one day to 1/12, so in 8 days Q can finish more part of work, so that's why it will be multiply. So if we cutting 8 and 12, it become 2 for the 8, 3 for the 12. That means 2/3 part. Answer 2/3 part. Question number A has been solved. Q can finish 2/3 part in 8 days. Question number B. From A, Q in one day. In one day P can finish 1/12 part. 1/12 part. 1/12 part. Again, in one day, sorry, in 20 days. 20 days Q can finish কত part? One part, whole work, that means one part. Q in 20 days Q can finish one part of work. Therefore, one day Q can finish 1 by 20 part. In one day P can finish 1 by 12 part, and in one day Q can finish 1 by 20 part. 20 part. So in one day they can finish in one day P and Q. One day P and Q can together. In one day P and Q can listen to me. P and Q together. P and Q together finish 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 part. That means LCM 12 and 10. What is the LCM? 12 and 20. The LCM, we have learned a system. We should not doing any LCM. আমরা কোনো LCM না করি, we can easily we can directly write the LCM of 12 and 20. What is the procedure? The procedure is our larger number is 20. 20 is not divisible by 12, but we take the next divisible number of 20, 40. 40 cannot divisible. Next divisible number is 60. 60 is divisible by 12. So that's why LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. Divided by 12, it become 5. 12 the, if we divided 60 by 12, it become 5. 5 on the 5 plus 23 the 60. That means 8 by 60. If we cutting this, it will be 2 for the 8, 15 for the 60. That means 2 by 15, 2 by 15 part. A 2 by 15 part P and Q can finish in one day. In one day. তার মানে one day তে তারা P and Q together can finish 2 by 15 part. So we can write P and Q together. P and Q together. Together. P and Q together. 2 by 15 part can finish. Can finish one part. Sorry, one day. In one day. And P and Q together 2 by 15 part can finish in one day. সুতরাং therefore one part, that means whole part work they can finish 1 into 2 by 15. But sorry, it will be inverse. If we use 1 after the fraction এর পরে আমরা 1 ইউজ করলে the fraction will be inverse. That means 1 into 15 by 2. So it will be 15 by 2. That means 17 half, 7 half day. Answer 7 half day. This is the answer. That means P and Q together can finish the whole work in 7 half Our next question number C. How much time? Listen to me. Question number C. One day P and Q from B থেকে we get one day in one day P and Q together can finish. P and Q together can finish. অর্থাৎ P and Q can together finish. P and Q together can finish 2 by 15 part. Therefore, in 2 days, P and Q can together 2 into 2 by 15. That means 4 by 15 part. 4 by 15 part. A 4 and 4 by 15 part, they can together. But after 2 days, P went away. That means remaining work has done by Q. So remaining work, what is the remaining work? Remaining work equal to remaining work. Remaining work 1 minus whole class 1 part. They can finish in 2 days 4 by 15 parts. So 1 minus 4 by 15. 4 by 15 part. That means it will be LCM 15. 15 minus 4. 11 by 15 part. 11 by 15 part. There is students 11 by 15 part. Who has done it? কে এটা করেছে? 11 by 15 parts are done by Q. Q has done 11 by 15 part along. So Q, how much part can finish in whole work? Listen to me. We know that here Q in 1 day, in 1 part, sorry, Q 1 part work finish কত ডেতে করেছে? Q 1 part work can finish in 20 days. Q 1 part work can finish in 20 days. Therefore 11 by 15 part work can finish 20 into 11 by 15. Dear student, we should bear in mind আমাদের যে বিষয়টা মনে রাখতে হবে, when we use fraction after 1 it will not be changed, but if we use 1 after the fraction, just first line, if we use fraction in first line then we use 1, it will be inverse. But if we use fraction after the 1 next line, then it will not be changed. So that's why it will be multiply. So 20 into 11 by 15. So if we cutting 3 5 the 15, 4 5 the 20, তাহলে 4, listen to me, 4 11 the 44 by 3, 44 by 3, that means 14 whole the 42. So our answer will be 14 whole 2 by 3. 14 whole, it will be 14 whole 2 by 3. এতটাই 14 whole 2 by 3, 14 by 2, 14 whole 2 by 3 date Q can finish the remaining work, but Q also done in 2 days work before with the Q in before a with the P এর সাথে সে আরো 2 days কাজ করেছে, তার মানে whole time কত will be, whole time will be, the time will be total time 2 plus 14 whole 2 by 3. That means it will be 16 whole 2 by 3 day. The students, the creative has been solved. If you see the video 2 or 3 times, you can easily understand. So our there is another CQ I give in my lecture. So you try to solve this problem in your home. So please see the lecture in 2 or 3 times, you can easily understand, and you solve the our HW in our given lecture. Thank you all. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum.